Stop by and take a look at the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.